Hey YouTube, how's it going? This is how to replace your hard drive on the Dell Mini 1012. I have another video out there how to take the keyboard apart, take it off. So there's two screws here on the hard drive. I already took one out, the other one I'll take out so you can see. There's a small Phillips screwdriver, same one you'll use to take off the keyboard, because this is where the keyboard goes. You need to take it off. So watch my other video. The other video shows how to take it out. There. And what you do is, there's a plastic tab. Just grab it, slide to the left, slide that to the left, that way, and you hear that, and then just pull out. So now to replace this, there's 4 screws. There's one here, another there, another here, and another here. But keep in mind the way it goes. Like, if you want, you could take a picture of your old hard drive before you take off the Caddyshack on it. So, or see this is facing down, and the sticker faces up. So once you take off the screws and you put the other one in, put the screws back on, and you put it back like that, and you put the screws back on. The screws are to hold it in place so they don't move around. And this is where the memory goes. There you go. Now to put back the keyboard, it's a little hard. This is a good time to be cleaning your keyboard if you have it dirty. All you do is fold it out. Make sure that the brown tabs are pulled out. And once it's in, you'll know it's in. Just put the brown tabs back on. There you go. There you go. Now you close this and you flip it over and put the 3 long screws here by the battery. And you screw them back on. And I took out those small screws too, but you don't need these. You only take out these 3 right here. There you go. You put the screws back and you put the battery. And the battery goes in like this. You first put it on top, and then you put it in. And those click back in, you know it's good. Give a little tug just to make sure. And there you go. That's how you replace a Dell hard drive, and you put it back together. make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. If you subscribe to my channel, subscribe to your channel, and we'll help out each other. Thanks.